Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy E.Musical, and we are back with another banger. So today I'm gonna give you guys something really smooth, but it's easy because that's usually the title of most of my videos. So let's get stuck into it. Check this out, right? So you guys know the moonwalk and all these other walks, side glides, blah, 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 blah. But has anyone told you about the airwalk? Probably not, but you've probably seen it like 1,000 times. There's one method that I'm going to show you guys today because it's like the only way, and if you do it any other way, it's kind of not airwalking, but let's say airwalk. Anyways, airwalking. I'm going to show you like this. We are on the side profile, right? What I want you to do is pick your foot up like this. I want you to pedal your foot like this. That's all you do. Make it go past your foot, bring it back up, place it back in front. Super easy, right? Let's do that one more time. In front, glide it past, bring it up, come back. Now this is where it gets crazy, right? As I'm stepping forward, I'm gonna have this foot back here, this one right here, that one right there, flat, perfectly grounded. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up as soon as this foot makes it to this foot. So what it's gonna look like is this. Oh, we're getting somewhere now. Now let me show you, this is the sauce to this move. As you're going past, you don't want to cut it off right here. That's what most people do. And some people will cut it off right here. Not only that, but they'll do like this, and it doesn't look like the full thing. What you want to do is fully make it past your foot. You don't want your foot to necessarily touch the ground because it makes it easier to move past. But you want to make sure this foot is completely past this foot. Make sense? Here we go. So, step one, place in front. Step two, we lift and pass. Step three, we come back. So, all together, we got whoop. One more time, place in front, whoop, and come back. It's easy on the other side too, it's the exact same thing. We step in front, come back, come back, one more time. That was 2 times, but easy. Now, I'm gonna show you examples. Let's get it.